had to cancel the desk. I got in contact with someone via the phone, and they told me that I shouldn't have waited 16 days for this desk to arrive. That it should have been already past ship date and already shipping to me before the 16 days was even up. But she said that she's really sorry that I must have been on the seller, because the seller obviously didn't say that it was shipped at all. So they probably didn't have anything in stock and just was holding me on hold the entire time. So I canceled, and I'm waiting for a refund to go through. Although when I looked up to see how long a refund would take for Amazon to give me the gift card that I used to, you know, you get the desk, I haven't received the refund. It should only take 2 to 3 hours after the cancellation. Now I'm guessing it's canceled because the desk is no longer in my orders. It's in the past 3 months replacement. You can't see it, I'm sorry. I'm guessing it's canceled because they said it would only take 24 hours to cancel it, and I did this on Saturday. It's been more than 24 hours. Yeah, this will get this. I should get at least $89 back, if not a little bit more. It's nowhere to be found. I want to buy the desk. I would have to get it in a different color. I asked her, is it weird if I were to buy the desk but in a different color? Because I need the same exact desk, because we bought 2 of them. We bought a black one, and we were trying to get a black oak one for myself. The black oak one never arrived, and you can't get the black one anymore, so I have to get a completely different color. And well, the black one arrived, and I have to get the same one. It's gonna bother me and Zach if we don't get the same one, at least in a different color. So that's what we're trying to do now, is waiting to get paid or waiting for this refund to go through. I don't know. On a side note, I did get a new cell phone case, because I have been ignoring getting myself a cell phone case because of bills and the holidays went through and everything like that, so we're like, we'll wait a little bit. But I got a cell phone case, and it's a decent one. Look at that. It's for Legend of Zelda. You can't see the sword going through it very well. There you go. There you can. The Legend of Zelda. It said it came from, it's funny, it was supposed to come from China. At least that's what I looked it up when I went back to look at it to see where it was coming from. It said they were supposed to come from China, however, it came from Canada. It's not a problem with it. Right now I'm putting up the vlog from January. Doing it literally right now. It just got done doing its checks. It should go on Patreon today, which is Monday the 3rd. And it should be up for you guys on Wednesday the 5th. This video will obviously be up later on. But I wanted to let you guys know that that's what I was working on. That's all I needed to tell you guys. I just want to update you guys on the desk. I'll let you know if you ever get it. Because I do plan on getting it. I just got to pay bills first. And then seeing how much. Yeah, and then we have to do taxes. I still have to do that. So taxes will be done soon, hopefully. I gotta get in contact with my tax person. Alright guys, so I have a lot of cleaning to do today. Today's Saturday, the 8th. Tomorrow my desk should arrive. Should. I don't know if it will actually arrive, because this is the problem we had with the first desk we ordered. But we will see. We will see. Either way, Zach wants me to clean up, like, everything. He wants me to do the floors, like, get all the stains out. I'm like, why? Like, I understand the stains are not pretty, but why would you want to do it for a desk? And why can't he do it? Like, why is he making me do it? I don't know. The questions I have yet to have answered. But, I guess I'm doing that today, and I might take you along for a little bit of the cleaning process. Not really a cleaning process, just cleaning. Can you not step on my desk? You're not supposed to be up here, young lady. You're not supposed to be up here, young lady. Young lady. Miss. I said I would start doing more activity in these vlogs so you guys don't see me sitting here talking the entire time. And that's what I plan on doing. One of you guys said I could start crocheting during the video, but I have not been crocheting since like last month, and it's the 8th. I should get back into crocheting because, you know, let's just get back into it. I was working on a project and I just stopped in the middle of it. And yeah, why do I do that? I do that with everything, so it's not unusual for me to stop things in the middle of things. I do that. I do that in the middle of episodes. I just stop the episode and I pause it and then I don't get back to it until much later. So, yeah, I don't know why I do that. Anyway, let's get to cleaning. I started by, yesterday was grocery day. If you can't tell by all these, plastic bags right here. I didn't put any of them away because we went really early in the morning to go grocery shopping, and then afterwards I had to babysit the girls upstairs from 10 to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So I was not down here doing any of the stuff that I needed to do. But I need to clean a lot, work on this vlog a little bit because it's the 8th and I have to put it up on the 15th, so I usually get it started like now. And I will do that first so I can use this camera and not take up the battery completely. I can delete out this. I don't need this up. I was just doing it to see what song I was using. Alright, so let's get started. Hey guys, you see me clean a little bit today, and you see me working on Between Monsters and Men. As you see, I'm a little slow when it comes to typing because I'm looking from a book to the screen and I keep mistyping, having typos. So much fun, but I'm getting back to it finally. I'm not sick anymore, thank the heavens. I was sick 3 times in a row. What is with you right now? And it was just not fun. I wasn't getting anything done. I don't know why she's whining right now. Oh, you're just trying to eat my hand? Are you hungry? She looked at the camera, was like, yeah? I'll get you some food in a second. Let me finish talking to my friends. I'm still not done cleaning, but I think I'm going to do the rest off camera because there's a lot to do. I have to clean the whole house, including the bedroom, which I was going to film, but I was like, there's so much mess in the bedroom. I'm like, I'm not filming it. There's literally, after I filmed part of the bedroom cleaning recently, and it got way worse afterwards because I did the present video and I had left the stuff all over the floor. Now it's even worse than what I filmed. So I'm probably not gonna film that. So I got a lot of work to do. It looked like it was gonna rain, so I have to do the floor real quick. And like I said, it's just gonna be rushing through the rest of the floor and everything like that. So just a lot of work. I got a lot of work to do, and I don't want to film it because there's so much to like do when filming and cleaning at the same time. So I hope you guys understand. But it's just, you have to see some activity in, I got your mouth activity in the video. And there'll probably be more because this video, so far I'm editing it right here as well. It's not very long so far, so we'll see.